Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Klarna to your Stripe account. First, open Stripe dashboard, log in to your Stripe account, and go to Settings. In Settings, select Payments, and click Payment Methods, and look for Klarna. Click Enable and follow the on-screen prompts to agree to Klarna's terms. If you're using Stripe Checkout or the API, make sure Klarna is added to your checkout options. Do a quick test transaction to confirm Klarna is working. And that's it. That's how to add Klarna to your Stripe account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.